Alright, this is the second part of my cube carving thing tutorial game. So if you haven't watched the first part, watch the first part, otherwise you'll get lost. Alright, so we have done this, and whoa, where'd my little thingy go? There it is. Sorry. Okay, I see it now, sort of. Alright, now what are we doing? Okay, sorry. Now let's add a motion, call it up motion, and make this to 0.1. If you've noticed, the up motion is faster than the down motion. You can change that if you want, it really doesn't matter. Okay, now we want to have... Okay, now we need a... Whoops. Now we need a new object. Go to top view, add a cube, scale it down. This is going to be where our where the toucher eraser thingy stops. So scale it out pretty large. Just you're going to want this to cover your entire area where you have cubes, because you can obviously add more than one cube when you're going to. Anyway, alright, so now let's take this and add a new material and call it upstop. And let's just name the object upstop, it doesn't really matter. Now we want this to be dynamic, full dampening, ghost, and not an actor, and put the bounce to box. Alright. Now, okay, now go back over here. Now we want to make it so that whenever it touches the upstop, so let's call it upstop, touch, material upstop. I had to start my timer again. Anyway, oops, yeah, I spelled that right. Now add another and we... Okay. Now we want to have these two connected. We want it so that when the up property is 1 and it touches our upstop, then we want it to go over here and make a property and not... Whoops. No. There. Call it up prop set 0. Obviously we're setting the up property to 0. Alright, now technically this should work. Oh wait, whoops, forgot something. Let's add an always, an and a visibility, and make this invisible. That way, obviously, you can't see it. Yeah, alright, now let's run the game. Alright, now it stops. And then it'll go down again forever, because that's just what it does. But it stopped when it came up, so that's good. That worked. Alright, now we are... Okay, now we're going to make it so that when you push the arrow keys, you can move it. So, obviously, we're going to do a keyboard. Alright, let's call this one... Whoops, not move. Move left. Okay, I'm recording. I just had to make sure. Alright. Okay, now we want the left keyboard key, if it'll let me... hold on. Alright, left arrow. Apparently, if I'm recording, I can't do this. Anyway, we want the left arrow, add another and we want a motion, obviously, because we're moving it. Alright, connect this, and call this motion move left motion. Alright, now set this to -0.2. Connect this with this. Alright, there we go. Now we want, let's add 3 more of these and just change them on the keyboard and move right, the right arrow, move up with the up arrow, and move down with the down arrow. Alright, there we go. Now we also want to add 3 more of these. 1, 2, 3. They're all and. Everything's and. And I want to connect this to this, this to this, and this to this. Okay, now add 3 more motions. Move right motion. Ignore that, please. Sorry. Set it to 0.2. Connect it. Move up T. Simply because we already have, or do we? I don't know. Just name it move up T. I don't know why I did that, but I'm just following myself. Anyway, and set this to 0.2. And move down T to negative 0.2, obviously. Then connect these. Hold on. Okay. I hate Vista. Anyway. Alright, now we want to make sure that if you're moving up, like if you're moving up or down, like your toucher eraser thingy is moving up or down, we don't want you to be able to move the toucher eraser thingy. Alright, so let's add 2 more, excuse me, properties. Call the first one move not down, down, and 0. Second one, move not up, the property up, value 0. Alright, now we want to connect each one of these to every motion we've got. So it'll look pretty bad once you're done, but it'll work. Connect all of them. Hold on, I lost track of it. I gotta do it again. Yeah, there's no need for me to record this. Just, yeah, disconnect them. Okay, there we go. That's what it'll end up looking like. It looks pretty bad, doesn't it? Alright, now let's go over here. Let's just duplicate the cube a couple of times so we actually have something to move to. Down here. Alright. Now, start the game. Alright, now as you see, we can move these around, and it works pretty well. So you see, now we have that problem again. Now we want, hold on. Apparently there is going to be a third part of this video. I'm at 9 minutes already. So yeah, the link will be in the description again.